Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up hotspot in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So just first of all you guys have to do just go to setting, and then as you guys see we have option of hotspot and tethering. So just click here. Now if you want to set up hotspot name, so by the way the device name is Infinix Hot 40 Pro. So if you want to change the device name, so you can change it from here. Like I am changing it into Mobileinto. And if you want to set the password, as you know the default password is too much difficult, so just set a password according to you and then click OK. After that just tap on tick and then go to connection management. So if you want to set the one-time data limit, you can set it from here. Like if someone use 2 GB data, if your mobile phone data will be used 2 GB, so that the hotspot will be off automatically. And you can also set up the limit. Okay, maximum number of connected device, we can give hotspot to 10 device maximum and 1 device minimum. So we guys can also set up the maximum number of connected device from here. Like if I am selected 6 device. So this is how we can do hotspot setting in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So that's it about the video. If the video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.